Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to extend support for your Windows 10 PC. We all know that Windows 10 has reached the end of life support. It won't get any update again. But if you want to have free 1 year of security updates, here's how to do it. Go to your settings, go to update and security. As you can see right here, it says your device no longer receives security updates. So if you want to enroll for extended security updates, you have to click on enroll now. It says enroll in extended security updates to stay protected. So click on next. It's going to ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. I'm not going to do that in this video, but if you sign into your Microsoft account and click on next, you will now enroll for additional 1 year support for Windows 10. So I've checked online. You can sign into your Microsoft account, do this, and also sign out. It won't affect the enrollment. So that's how you get 1 year of support on Windows 10. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.